Want to start flying drones but feeling overwhelmed by all the technical jargon and endless options? After testing dozens of beginner-friendly drones, we've selected the 5 that truly excel in ease of use, stability, and durability. From basic modals with automatic takeoff to ones with advanced features like obstacle avoidance and GPS positioning, each drone you'll see has unique characteristics that could be perfect for your needs. So I recommend watching the complete list. You'll find all the links with the best updated prices in the description. Let's begin. Let's check out the FPV Drone camera. 4,000 kilopixels, GPS, brushless. You know how frustrating it can be to get shaky footage when you're just starting with drones? This one actually solves that problem with its 4,000 kilopixels anti-shake camera. I've been testing it out, and the footage comes out really smooth. Perfect if you're just getting into aerial photography. The 110-degree wide-angle lens is pretty sweet too. You can capture those big landscape shots without having to fly super far out. What I really like about this drone is how it takes care of you while you're learning. The GPS auto-return feature is a real lifesaver. Trust me, we've all had those moments of panic when we think we're losing our drone. If the signal drops or the battery gets low, it'll just come right back to you. And with a range of 500 meters, you've got plenty of room to explore without pushing it too far. Now, I should mention that there is a bit of a learning curve here. You'll need some practice to get comfortable with all the features. But honestly, that's true for any drone. The good news is that once you get the hang of it, the controls feel really natural, especially with the GPS assistance. Here's something that really impressed me. You get 45 minutes of flight time with the 2 batteries. That's actually pretty generous for a drone in this price range, and it gives you enough time to practice without constantly having to land and recharge. One of the most practical features is how portable it is. It weighs less than 250 grams, which means you don't need to deal with FAA registration. A huge plus if you just want to focus on flying and having fun. It folds up really nicely too, and comes with a carrying case that makes it super easy to take anywhere. For what you're paying, you're getting a lot of value here. Sure, it might not have some of the fancy features you'd find on those $1,000 plus drones, but for learning the ropes and getting some really nice shots, it does the job really well. I've got the current price and all the specs linked in the description below. If you want to check it out, let's dive into the LNN-Kind FPV Drone, a fantastic choice for beginners in 2024, featuring a 1080-pixel camera and a brushless motor. If you've been put off by drones that buzz like a swarm of bees, this one's for you. Its brushless motor ensures a quieter flight, making it ideal for capturing serene morning scenes or flying around your neighborhood without disturbing the peace. When it comes to capturing those perfect shots, this drone is equipped with 2 cameras. The 1080 pixel front camera is great for your primary footage, while the bottom optical flow camera enhances stability and offers unique downward views. Having tested both, I can say the image quality is impressive for its price range. Now, let's talk about flight time. You can expect around 20 minutes per battery, which might decrease slightly if you're performing aerial maneuvers. The good news? It includes TWO batteries, allowing you to swap and continue your adventure without interruption. This feature is a real game changer when you're out enjoying your flight. One thing to keep in mind is its lightweight design. While this makes it incredibly portable and easy to transport in its included case, it's best to avoid flying on windy days. Trust me, I learned this lesson firsthand. What truly sets this drone apart is its user-friendly nature. It boasts features like one-key takeoff and landing, eliminating the stress of those initial flights. The altitude hold function keeps it stable in the air, a feature I wish my first drone had. Plus, the gesture control allows you to snap photos and videos with a simple wave, a feature my nephew finds absolutely thrilling. While it doesn't come with a global positioning system, for those learning the basics and venturing into aerial photography, it's not a necessity. For the price, you're getting a robust starter drone that's genuinely enjoyable to fly. If you're interested in checking out the current price and more details, I've included a link in the description. Introducing the Velcase Foldable 1080 pixels high-definition first-person view drone, an excellent choice for those new to drone flying who are mindful of their budget. If you're eager to dive into the world of drones without breaking the bank, this model offers a lot of value. The standout feature is its adjustable 1080 pixels high-definition camera, which delivers surprisingly good image quality for its price. Whether you're capturing moments for social media or family memories, this drone has you covered. For beginners, the EAC of USC is a major advantage. The drone is equipped with optical flow positioning and altitude hold, ensuring it remains stable in the air, perfect for those still mastering the controls. The one-key takeoff and landing feature simplifies your experience, making those initial flights much less daunting. While it's not the best in windy conditions, this drone truly shines on calm days. As you gain confidence, you can experiment with 3 different speed modes, and the headless mode is particularly helpful for those still getting accustomed to drone orientation. This flexibility allows you to grow your skills at your own pace. Portability is another strong suit of the Velcase drone. It folds into a compact size and comes with a carrying case, making it easy to transport. The drone includes TWO batteries, providing a total flight time of about 26 minutes, with each battery lasting 10 to 15 minutes. This is fairly standard for drones in this category, ensuring you have ample time to enjoy flying. A minor consideration is the need to use the VGO application for features like live video feed and gesture controls. While some might find an additional application inconvenient, it functions well and enhances the drone's capabilities. In summary, the Velcase Foldable 1080 pixels high-definition first-person view drone is a fantastic option for those looking to start their drone journey. Without a hefty investment, it offers essential safety features like propeller guards, comes with spare parts, and provides everything you need to capture stunning aerial shots. The price is competitive, and I've included a link in the description if you'd like to explore it further. Let's explore the Sozune FPV drone with a 1080 pixel camera, a fantastic option for those new to the world of drones. If you're just starting out, this drone is designed with you in mind. The 1080 pixel camera captures impressive images, allowing you to view everything live on your smartphone. This real-time view is perfect for framing those stunning aerial shots. One of the standout features of this drone is its simplicity. You don't need to be a tech expert to operate it. With just a press of a button, you can take off, land, or return the drone home. The app controls are incredibly user-friendly, making it easy for even kids to get the hang of it quickly. It's a great way to introduce them to technology without overwhelming them. Of course, it's important to note that the range won't match those high-end drones that cost over $1,000, and you might need a bit of practice to master some of the more advanced features. However, considering the price, it performs admirably. Once you get comfortable, you can execute some impressive maneuvers, like 360 degrees flips, which are always a hit. Surprisingly, the battery life is quite decent. The package includes TWO batteries, each providing about 15 minutes of flight time. This gives you ample opportunity to capture beautiful footage or simply enjoy flying. Plus, the drone is built to withstand a few roof landings, which is reassuring for beginners who are still learning the ropes. For anyone e-ager to dive into the drone hobby without spending a fortune, this drone is a solid choice. It offers a great mix of beginner-friendly features, good camera quality, and is genuinely fun to fly. If you're interested in checking out the current price and more details, I've included a link in the description. Let's dive into the Foldable Drone 1080 pixels high-definition camera from KGF Store. A fantastic choice for those new to the drone world. If you're just starting out and want a drone that offers great features without breaking the bank, this one is worth considering. The 1080 pixels camera provides surprisingly good image quality for its price, making it ideal for capturing stunning aerial views without needing a professional-grade drone. One of the standout aspects of this drone is its ease of use. For beginners who might be worried about the complexities of flying a drone, this model offers features like 1K takeoff and landing, which simplify the process significantly. I remember the anxiety of flying my first drone, but the optical flow positioning in this model ensures it remains stable, reducing the fear of crashes. Plus, once you get comfortable, you can enjoy performing 360-degree flips, adding a fun element to your flying experience. Now, let's address a common concern: battery life. This drone offers about 13 minutes of flight time per battery, which might feel short, especially if you're doing a lot of tricks. However, the good news is that it comes with TWO batteries, allowing you to continue flying while one charges. Its compact, foldable design also means you can easily pack it in your backpack and take it anywhere. Another feature that adds to its convenience is the dual control options. You can operate the drone using the Include remote or your smartphone via the FPV application. While the application can be a bit tricky at times, having both options is quite handy. The brushless motor is another plus, providing better performance and light winds than you'd expect from a drone in this price range. Overall, this drone offers excellent value for money. It's not designed to compete with high-end models, but for beginners looking for something easy to fly, capable of taking descent photos, and budget-friendly, it's a solid choice. If you're interested in exploring more about this drone, including its current price, check out the link in the description.